Hey guys, it's Sam. I haven't uploaded in a while. Well, I had strep throat for 2 weeks, so I could barely talk, and then I just forgot. I would always say, Monday's coming up. I gotta do something for Monday, and then Monday would come and I'd be like, I'll do it later. And then it would be Tuesday and I'd be like, God damn it. Anyway, so I'll just do a quick update. Yesterday, Indigo, Zach, Rebecca, Luke, and myself went to a concert in Seattle. It was a free concert. And we saw Homosexual Daughters of the Dead Sea and this band that didn't have a name apparently. I also hugged a hot dog, walked to 7-Eleven with Zach, and had Pringles and a Twinkie. Twinkies are back. I did not know that. Twinkies. And yeah, I start school on Wednesday, 10th grade. Yay! I'm slightly excited because I'll get to see my friends every day. But then I'm like, school. Yeah. I don't like school. I like learning and stuff, but I don't like school. Okay. And I know it's not Monday, but I knew I would forget, so I was like, I'm just gonna damn well record it. I will see you guys next Monday, and you can hear about going back to school. Oh, and I do have some tips. Always fight for your right to party. Ask the cutie before you touch the booty. And always follow the Great Cornholio. Bye guys!